Well, hello beautiful friends, it's Lynette here, and I finally got my Christmas tree done. I've been working really hard for about the last week, so I want to bring you guys along and show you all my tips and my tricks for decorating my Christmas tree. We're going Christmas crazy here at Garden 1842 and Home, so come join us. I wanted to show you guys my box that I put my Christmas tree on. This is a South Germany chocolate, pure, delicious nutrition box. It says must keep cool and dry, Circleville, Ohio. So what I feel like is we found this in the carriage house, kind of deep underneath some dirt. And so I feel like whoever lived here ordered some German chocolates, probably in the late 1800s. And I love it, and I always keep it out, and I always put my Christmas tree on top of it. Okay, before I put any ornaments or any decor on my tree, I found this plaid burlap at Hobby Lobby last year for 90% off. So I got a couple rolls of it. And what I want to do is I want to take the ends of it. I'm going to start at the top of the tree, but I'm just showing you guys, you know, sort of what I'm doing. I want to take the ends of it and scrunch it up, okay? And I want to stick it into the tree kind of deep so you can't really see the beginning of it. And then I just want to take and sort of like weave it in and out. Then take another scrunch and go kind of deep in, sort of like that. And I'll do the whole tree and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. I'll be honest, I'm not always a big fan of this burlap, but I'm sort of loving it on the tree. And I don't know if it's just because it's plaid and it doesn't have like that tan, you know, burlappy color. And then what I wanted to show you guys is as I was coming down, I was actually using branches to kind of go around the, you know, to hold the burlap in. Next thing I want to do is put some berry picks in the tree. I just want to sort of pop it in there, kind of like they're just dangling out. I'm going to go do that, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. For the bulbs. Okay, so I have my bulbs on. And now I think I just want to add a little poinsettia that I got last year at Hobby Lobby. I don't think I want a whole lot, I just want a few. finally got my tree done, you guys. I've been working on it for a couple weeks now, and I'm really loving it. It's, in my mind, it's a little simple, and I love the cranberries coming out of the tree, and I'm loving the green and the red. And you'll have to stay tuned because we're getting ready to show the entire living room on the next video. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me for my Christmas tree decor. You guys got to keep watching because I'm going to take you in through our whole entire living room here. And it is just so cozy and dreamy. I got a little cup of hot cocoa, and I want you guys to come and enjoy our entire living room tour. Also, go find what makes you happy this holiday season and go find your passion today. If you love what we shared, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family.